Hello everyone! Today I'm going to talk to you about a cool game overlay that you can use on your starting screen, on your Be Right Back screen, basically anywhere where you like. So, if you look at the TV up here, this is the overlay I use on my birthday stream. And here is a game where you fight each other. As you can tell, you have a health bar and you get cool unique weapon as long as your viewer talks in your chat. And now I'm going to show you how to get this overlay. So basically what you want to do is you're going to click the link that I'm going to put down below my YouTube video, which will take you to Intro Fighters. And then you're going to click that Download Now button. So basically, once you have it downloaded and installed, we're going to click on Connect Twitch. So once you do that, it's going to ask you to authorize it and all that. So I already have it done, so I can't show that part. But you know, it's the same thing as any other app that does it. But the only difference is that you're going to click this Get Otheon token, which will take you to another site. So here, you're going to click Connect, right? And once you connect, it's going to give you like a long password. And you're going to copy and paste that password into the intro fighter right here. And then you're going to click confirm. Then you're going to click the start button and you are ready for fighting. Alright, so we're going to have here a screen, as you can see. This is a fighting screen. So we are going to click escape. So in the escape, this is the menu. If you want to enter the menu, remember hit the escape button. So we have classic mode where everyone fights each other, or you can also make them in a team where they fight in a group, another group of people. I like to have a classic mode, but it's up to your liking. And here is all the settings that you can fix. You know, and here in general you click, like you could cycle fighter means that they would always come back and it was, you know, just get more chaotic, which kind of looks cool. And then you could also take out some other stuff, and depending, like I said, up to your liking. All right, so once you have that going on, then how do we get an emote to fight each other? So basically, your viewers, whatever they type, like it says right here on the top left corner, it says type anything in chat to have a chance of joining. So you have to put exclamation emote, which you could write the name, but I don't think a lot of people remembers the name of the emote. So what I do is I put exclamation emote and just put the emote, you know, picture, which is easier. So now for the next step. How do we get this on OBS to work this on your Twitch? And I will show you how. Okay, so in your sources, you are going to click the plus sign. You're going to create a game capture. And then you're going to call it whatever you like. But I like to keep things consistent. So I'm going to call it Intro Fighters. And then you click OK. Then you're going to click in mode. You're going to click capture specific window. Then in window, you are going to click Intro Fighters. Allow transparency, that way you could put any background you like, or it would show the game that you're playing. And then you are going to uncheck capture cursor and then click OK. And there you have it. Now you can have a better stream. Woo! Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. Bye bye.